Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode I have some games for you because I have giveaways for you. We will be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It, and at the end of this video I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. So very first thing I want to tell you guys is CKG reached out to me and they said, hey, it's time that we give away another CKG carbon fiber beach scoop shaft. Guys, this is the straight shaft, not the travel shaft. So I have a game set up what we're going to play right now. Okay guys, I have 3 items just like Would You Dig It. Okay, I have 3 items set out. We're going to go through them one at a time, 1, 2, and 3. You guys are going to guess. All you need to do is on a totally separate comment, just one comment for this. You're going to put CKG number 1, number 2, and number 3 guesses all in one comment. Okay guys? So please just put CKG and then number 1's guess, number 2's guess, and number 3 all in one comment. To help me out guys, that would be great. So guys, let's play the CKG carbon fiber beach scoop shaft giveaway game right now. Okay guys, I'm here in my test garden and I am in Park 1 and I got the first target for the CKG carbon fiber beach scoop shaft right here. So guess number 1 is right here. You guys are already knowing what that is, I bet, huh? All right, that's number 1. Comment below what you think it is. Go back 90 degrees. Okay, I got another target planted right here. So this is guess number 2 for the CKG carbon fiber beach scoop shaft. All right, let's go 90 degrees. All right, let's go back. All right. Okay guys, right here in my test garden, I have guess number 3, and it'll be our final one for the CKG carbon fiber beach scoop shaft. Got the target right there guys, let's take a look at it. All right, go back 90 degrees. Okay. And remember guys, in one comment, just put CKG guess number 1, whatever your answer is, guess number 2, whatever your answer is, and guess number 3, whatever your answer is, all in one comment please, okay? Because we have several giveaways going on, you guys are going to have a lot of comments going on in this video. All right. We also have another I Dig For You contest giveaway that's coming up in this month of November. And anytime you see one of these gemstones in any single one of my videos, comment with the timestamp below. And you will be automatically entered into a drawing that we will select in the first part of December of this year. So I will tell you, I've done this several times before. And that is how I met Irene and Andrew actually. So, I dig for you everything I dig. You actually get to select the beach I go to. And sometimes you can say, hey Jim, I want you to go find the best treasures on whatever beach you want. And anything I dig, no matter if it's gold, silver, platinum, no matter all the clad, everything belongs to you. Alright? So that is what I dig for you. And guys, just to make sure that you get something good, I'm throwing in a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, that's a win-win-win. So let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I got one for you here. I'm in Park 1. I got a target right here. Let's go 90 degrees. Go back. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $175 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. All right, let's dig this one up. It's a Tiffany padlock that I found in the wet sand, and I do believe it's silver. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to open up my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to go to pick a winner. I know somebody guessed it perfectly, so I'm just going to go to comment must contain the words Tiffany. Pick a winner. DL Ocean. I would dig it. I think it is the Tiffany & Co. Heart Charm. I love your videos. Well, thank you, DL Ocean. You are absolutely correct. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $175 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, DL Ocean. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $175 Amazon gift card. That was a heck of a win. Congratulations. So guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway happening right now for a $25 Amazon gift card. So let's check this out. So guys, I'm here in my test garden. I have a target right here, and for a $25 Amazon gift card, this is the Would You Dig It? Let's go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? Comment below if you would dig it, and you will have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Let's go back 90 degrees. All right, let's dig this one up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we'll select in next Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, the entire month of November, I have an I Dig For You contest giveaway. Every time you see one of these gemstones, comment in that video with the timestamp that you saw that gemstone, and you will be automatically entered into a drawing that we will select in the first part of December of this year. You will select the beach I go to, and everything I find on that day is yours. All the gold, all the diamonds, all the silver, all the platinum, all the clad, everything I find belongs to you. And just in case I don't find anything good, I'm throwing in a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, as a reminder, anytime you see this gemstone, comment with a timestamp in that video, in any video in the month of November, and you're automatically entered. And guys, if you like my video, please click like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.